Hi, dear Professor. I am Mohammad Sharifullah, PhD student, Department of Mathematics. I am going to describe the first technical report of assignment 1, which is like language identification from 5-letter words using classical machine learning. Um, Here we are given like three types of words. Like we are bound to do like English and German, and other one is based on everyone's who says choose anyone. So in this case, like for this technical report, it's one type of multi-class language identification problem using 5-letter words from the lexicons English, German, and French. After cleaning, filtering to 5-letter alphabetic tokens and creating a balanced data set, I train and evaluate three conventional classifiers known as like k-nearest neighbors, KNN, a linear support vector machine like SVM, and the multi-layer perception like MLP. So the published already described like the requirement assignment requirement is we need to use English, German, and another one as our choice. So I choose English, German, and French. Um, the dataset construction and pre-processing, which is like I partitioned this process like four. Like first one is the input data, second one clearing and filtering, third one counts and balancing, and fourth one is train, test, and split. For data processing case, like I cleaned tokens and kept only alphabetic 5 letters word. Count before balancing, like in the three texts there have like for English there have 11,423 words. For German case 3,701 words, and for French case it's 6,806. um, to avoid bias, I balance classes by downsampling to 3701 because in German class the word count is 3701. So I use this one as it's on the lowest one. Also, according to the requirement of our assignment, I used a manual stratified 80 by 20 splits for train and test distribution mesh. Also, like like there, I also discussed these words, and like n is the minimum number. Like as in German word count case, it's 3701. Also, for in manual stratified 80 by 20 splitting in training case, I consider 2961 per word per case, and for testing 740 per case. Uh, this prevents actually assignment on training samples and preserves class properties in both portion. In feature engineering, words are short, so character pattern are the best signal. TD-IDF, char n-grams capture sequence like HCS, TION, EAU, etc. Like for analyzer case, SAR underscore WB n-gram range 2 to 5, and for minimum DF case 2 sublinear TF case it's true. This feature design identifies orthographic patterns that vary across the three languages. Also, like char underscore web restricts n-grams within word boundaries, which improves language cues. For models, according to the assignment, I use three types of framework: KNN, SBM, and MLP with SBD initially I use MLP with SBM, but its accuracy is little bit less. Then I updated my code, like I use MLP with SBM. KNN use cosine similarity in TF-IDF space. Linear SBM is classic strong baseline for text, and MLP can model non-linearities, but raw TF-IDF is huge and sparse, so I used SBD first. And for SBD case, I use truncated SBD 500 components plus, and then normalize it and use MLP like 120 60 for early hidden layer for early stopping. Initially, MLP underperformed because converting TDF IDF to dense is unstable. So I used truncated SBD to 500 dimensions, normalize it, and then train MLP. This made training stable and improved accuracy above the requirement, because our requirement was it's in all models it should be at least 65%. So then my result is like this. In KNN case, it's 65.95%, SBM case 67.21%, and MLP case it's 67.88%. That means in all three cases, it's satisfied the requirement. And this is the bar chart of my accuracy. And this is the like confusion matrix. For KNN case, metric accuracy is like this, and SBM case it's like this, and for MLP cases. All the three model, like if we compare the accuracy, it shows that best model is MLP with SBD, which is 67.88%. For error related analysis and for conclusion, like here most errors occur between English and French because they share many similar short character patterns. German is a little bit more distinctive in orthography, so it's often easier to separate. Conclude. In conclusion, I would say like Sarian grams plus linear SBM is a strong baseline. Adding SBT make MLP competitive and based in this run. Okay, now I am going to, this is my source code, which I keep there. And now I need to show the my code and run this. For running this code, I need to first upload the three types of text files like English, French, and German. And this is my code. If I run this, like these are the results. In the KNN accuracy, it's like SBM accuracy and the MLP accuracy, and this is my accuracy graph, and that's it.